Hi adorables, welcome to my channel. So, look what I just finished. Oh my god, it turned out so awesome. The multiple dimensions in this, oh, I blinged it up real good. Okay, so we're gonna come down here. Get the light on. So I blinged up that red and then the candles. I didn't realize that that orange was so close to what I was using, so it threw off everything. But you back up. It's good. It's good. Okay, I put some blings in here and windows to this building that was just supposed to be shade. I was like, brighten it up somehow. So it looks like there's a concert going on and they got that holographic stuff onto the house and it's all lighting up. Then I went crazy on the Eiffel Tower. Okay, and then I had blue in there. Like, see this blue? And I didn't like it. So I took it all out and I made it that light green. And down here too, I left a little bit in. But I was nuts. And I took the color over here and then I went and I sprinkled some all around, and before I was done, I was like, you know, that kind of looks like it could be a bridge. So I just made it into a bridge and I was like, color that in. And so this looks like some kind of big trestle, you know, that you drive through. It's like one of them huge things, and it's pretty close to the color of the sky. So, yeah, I was going crazy all around here. So this is how I did my stars, and I put regular stars in too. So that's from gbfke. Doesn't that look nice? Look at how the light from the candles is hitting on the front of the vase, and then the light from outside is hitting from the window side of it. That is awesome. Look at that detail and shading right there. And then this is the only thing that doesn't hit any light. Like, that's so cool. Like, this is a road. There's a road outside or something. I don't know what that is. I don't know. I took a lot of liberties in there, but I like it. I think that turned out great. From a distance, that could even look like water. You know, as if there was a sea there. Isn't that cool, the dimensions that you get with that? I freaking love it. I really blinged that up. I just went crazy creating a whole bunch of stuff, because why not? What I wanted was the effect that it looked like a city, right? So with, I don't know, I just did it. And it looks good. It don't have to color match. It's got that variety popping in there to make it look like it's something real. So I am extremely happy with this one. I love the vase. The candles. The tower. Everything. Everything about it, man. That's 2 in a row with these 30 by 90s from gbfke that have been absolutely awesome to work on. Look at the clouds. That looks like some real deal stuff. Good coloring going on. Good shading. I love it. Okay, so now I gotta take it off my refrigerator. I got little, what were powerful clips. I gotta take a picture of this for me. I gotta take a picture. I don't want my refrigerator going in the picture. It's gonna have to. Just do it. Maybe you shouldn't get the mop. Take a picture this way. Okay, get closer. Okay, take a picture. There. Okay. I hope that turned out. I'm extremely happy with this. I just see bling bling lights when I look at it. And what I did, I ironed it. Unfortunately. Hold up, I'll take it in and show you what happened. Okay, so I was very impatient and I ironed it, and I kept the heat on it too long. So when I pressed down here, the other side raises. See that? I kind of shrunk it. Well, I'm going to put it under weight before I hang it on the wall because I don't like that happened. Because I got to seal it too. I'm in love with it. Wow. Wow. I did good. That's pretty good. Oh, I got my ashtray in there. Sorry about that. Okay. So what could be a good thumbnail here? Put a pen in there. Yeah, we'll put a pen in there. Okay. Whoops. Still. I don't want to stop talking about it. It was just so good. Like all the purples, they're shiny. Those are crystals, but not these ones. So they're in here. They're just speckled all over in there. There's all kind of colors. Put the light on. Put the light on. It's not working. Why not? Why not? See, there's even green. I just went crystal crazy. Like, because if that's coming through, well, then there's some kind of window on the other side. So I tried to put those colors in there. It doesn't really look like anything here. Like, you could tell it's a house and windows. But, like, it's more light down here. Then that's, I don't know. There's not as much light on in the attic. Don't know. But this is kind of like a masterpiece for me. I could have done better here, I think. And if there's a difference in the crystals, I had to open a new pack. But they're the same thing, but I think one shines more than the other. I don't know. Maybe it's just me. Okay. Well, that's all I have for today. This was from gbfke. There's a lot of different window scenes, different kind of... There's a lot. You're going to love it if you go in there and look. And don't forget those girls with the big eyes. There's a ton of them too. I'm into it. And I should have ordered more. I wish I would have, but I ordered something completely different for the next promo. But I'm going to get more of these. I love that. Okay. Peace out, everyone. God bless all my adorables.